How to set any video or any GIF or any live photo as the live wallpaper or the moving wallpaper on any iPhone without access to a computer and without jailbreak. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a live wallpaper on the lock screen on your iPhone without having to jailbreak it and without having access to a computer. Now, what is the first thing which you need? The first thing which you need is a video on your device in your Photos application. So as you can see, I do have this video over here of my Pixel 6 which we are going to use. Next thing you need to do is you need to go to the App Store, and herein you will search for video to live. Now you will get a bunch of applications, but the one which we are going to use in this video is this one, video to live. I have linked it in the description of the video as well. And the next thing we are going to do is go ahead and install this application. So once the application has installed successfully, we are going to say open the app. Now it is going to ask you to track it, which is super strange. So we are going to say do not track me. Then this is the home screen of this application. We are going to go into the option of live converter. Now this would like access to your photos, and it is super important that you give it that access, because otherwise it will not be able to access the video which we want to set as our lock screen live wallpaper on the iPhone. So we're going to say allow access to all photos. Now this is going to list all the videos which you have on your device right now and are available in the Photos app. So we're going to select this one over here, and we are going to say convert. Now on the next screen you can change the resolution, and it is going to play the video for you as well. So change the resolution in case you want to. I am fine with the original resolution. Next up, we are going to say continue. Now herein you can crop your video. So let us say you want the start to be this point and you want the end to be this point. So you can do that, and as you can see, it is showing us an awesome preview here that how it is going to look on our lock screen. So let us extend this a little, and the next customization which you can do over here is choose a key photo. So what do you mean by key photo? So that is going to be your main wallpaper when it is not playing. So let us say I want this to be my key picture, and there it is. Once you have selected your video part, you have selected your key photo, say convert now, and it is going to convert it. So as you can see, it is telling me that it has now completed and saved it to the camera roll. So now we can go ahead and exit the application and head over to the Photos app. Now once you head over to the Photos app, you will notice I have a new picture. When I select this, it is telling me it is a live photo. So then tap on this icon on the bottom left, which is your share icon here, and scroll down and say use as wallpaper. Now make sure that the option for live photo is enabled. So that is the second option over here. Live photo is on. If you want to see a preview, all you need to do is press and hold, and it is going to show you a preview of how the wallpaper is going to look on your lock screen. And then all you need to do is select set. Now you can use lock screen only, home screen, or both. I'm going to say both. Now do note, it will not play on your home screen because that is an iOS limitation. But if I go to my lock screen, there it is. You can see this is my key photo which I had chosen, and then when I press and hold, it should play it. Of course, right now the iPhone thinks that I am in a car moving, so it is not doing that. Let me try it one more time. Alright, so finally it thinks I'm not in the vehicle. Here it is. You can see when I press and hold on the lock screen, the live wallpaper is working like a boss. And there it is, peeps. That is how you set any video as the live wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen without having to jailbreak it and without having access to a computer. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.